Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So in this video today, we're going to be looking at some fall decor. So come on with me, guys. Now this video is a part of a collaboration with the Home Decor Luxe Club, and it's Vlogmas, so let's get started. So the Home Decor Luxe Club is hosted by Glam Elegant Living, and that's Allie. So the Home Decor Luxe Club is Allie from Glam Elegant Living. Then we have myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. We have Design 2AT. We have Miriam Creative Corner, Amethyst Adventures, and I hope I didn't miss anyone because I'm not home. So if there's anyone that I did miss, guys, I'm going to link them right in the description box below. So let me just go ahead and get started showing you all of these wonderful things. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.